Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to put phone on vibrate. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and you can turn on the vibration or for ringing, notifications, and touch. Open your device's settings app and then tap accessibility, tap vibration and haptic strength, and then review or change the following settings: ring vibration, notification vibration, and touch feedback. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to my settings, and I'm gonna go ahead to the sounds and haptics, and I'm gonna just go ahead to my ringtone, and basically you're gonna see right here the haptic, which is the vibration. And as you can see, you can just put it in the synchronized or synchronized, or you can put it in different vibration basically, right? And you can just go back and go ahead and do it for the text tone and the sent mail and all that. Even in typing, basically keyboard feedback, you can just go ahead and right here make it only sounds, or you can just make it sounds and haptics. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.